All right, so let's solve for this question. Okay, so we have b cube plus b equals 30. All right, now before we proceed, let's understand the difference of cubes. Now when we're given x cube minus y cube, the same as x minus y. Okay, and we have x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now this difference of cubes is very powerful too. Okay, so we are going to arrange this one in such a way that we get something cube minus something cube. Now we can write this one as b cube plus b minus 30 equal to 0. Now we know minus 30 can be written as minus 27 minus 3. Minus 27 minus 3. Why are we taking minus 27 minus 3 and not minus 29 minus 1? Now remember, we want to express this one as difference of cubes. We have b cube here. Okay, so we want to pick a number that will give us a number multiplying itself 3 times. For instance, if I pick this, it will be 27. Okay, so this 27 will be 3 to the power 3. Now if I pick 29, okay, 29 minus 29 minus 1, this 29 here, I won't get any number that will be expressed in this form. Okay, so we are picking 27. Okay, now let's go ahead as we arrange this one. So we have b cube minus, so let me bring the minus 30, sorry. Okay, so I have plus b minus 27 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now I want to join this one to this, so I'll make it b cube minus 27. Okay, and I have plus b minus 3 equal to 0. So remember, this side is same as b cube minus, so we have 3 to the power 3 plus b minus 3. So we now express our difference of cubes here, b cube minus 3 cube. So we have b minus 3, so we have b squared plus 3b plus 3 squared 9. Okay, so plus b minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now remember, we have something in common here. Okay, b minus 3, b minus 3, so I can say b minus 3. Okay, so I will have with b squared plus 3b plus 9 plus, so this side will be 1. Okay, now in going back, this one will multiply that to get this, and it will multiply the 1 here, so plus that equal to 0. All right, now we have b minus 3 equal to 0, therefore b is 3. So the first answer for the question is 3. Okay, so we are to look for the other solutions. Okay, so we have b squared plus 3b plus 9 plus 1. So we have b squared plus 3b. So 9 plus 1 will be plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. So we have this one. Let's compare this one with the quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to. So a is 1, b is 3, and c is 10. Okay. So we have 1, 3, 10. Now we are using minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac to a. Okay. So we have 1, 3, 10. So we have that. So let's do the substitution. X, so minus b minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times c on 2 times 1. So minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared here will be 9 minus 40 on 2. Okay, so we have x minus 3 plus or minus. Now 9 minus 40 will be minus 31. So we have minus 31 on 2. Minus 31 on 2. Okay. So we have x equals minus 3 plus or minus. Now we can write this one as square root of 31 times square root of minus 1 on 2. Now from complex numbers, square root of minus 1 is the same as I. So we have x equals to minus 3 plus or minus. So we have square root of 31 I on 2. So it means that x minus 3 plus square root of 31 I on 2, or x minus 3 minus square root of 31 I on 2. So these answers are complex. Okay, so we now stick to b equals to 3. Okay, so if b equals to 3, now let's verify. So let's verify. So we have b cube plus b, okay, equals 30. Equals 30. And b is 3. Now let's plug in 3 here. So we have 3 cube plus 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 is 30. So we have 30 here. Alright, so that's that. So if this video is very important to you, please just subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Alright, thanks for watching.